You know what I'm talking about. Guys, I thought I was doing my customer a favor, getting them the moog, you know, the problem solver, lower control arm for the Toyota. I couldn't have been more wrong. Let me show you what I found. Hey guys, look, when you're wrenching, you gotta be comfortable. That doesn't mean just having a nice, comfy diagnostic chair. It means having the right shoes. I personally love the Globe Sabers. I love them so much that when I get done wrenching with my work globes on, I put on my dress globes. That's right, check these bad boys out. Super comfortable, leather, tough, manly, they got it all. You wanna wrench comfortably? Get yourself some Globe Sabers. All right, check this out, guys. Look, so we got the, this one here is the Duralast, the Toyota, and the moog. Check this out, look. There's obvious differences, like the welds here. In case you can zoom out, you can see the corners of this are not welded, all right? Corners of this are not welded. This nice Toyota one, whoop, all the way around. But check this out, here's where things get really interesting. This number right here, can you get that, Casey? So we got LSAY23, all right? This one here, we got LSAW32. Guys, it's unbelievable. I didn't realize that until I started really doing the comparison. The moog in the Duralast, it's like the exact same. It's like made in the same factory. Just like your Nikes and your Payless made in the same factory. Just one is the swoosh. Well, both these are missing welds in the corner. This one here, made in Japan. You get what you pay for. So initially I'm thinking, okay, cool. Moog, you know, they're the problem solver. It's $191. Okay, cool. Why don't I go ahead and go with that? It's only $40 more than the Duralast. Of course, at the time, I didn't know it was the same crap, just marked up a ton. You believe that? $40 more. It's the same part. For another 50 bucks, I got the Toyota one. My advice, guys, if you can't afford to go OEM, don't buy the moog, because all you're paying for is the name. Look, you want more advice? Anything else you want me to talk about? Please let me know. I'd love to do a video on it. Thanks. I'll see you next time.